I'll occasionally come down to the home decor area. I like to look at their picture frames. Sometimes they have some wall paintings. These are plastic, they're not wood, so the prices are going to be reflective of that. This one here is $8. Let's look at this one here. $10. So they're a quick fix. You can also paint them and distress them, make them look like wood, right? And then they have these wall paintings, which I find a little bit pricey. So just walking down this is kind of like a craft aisle, but they have like 3 craft aisles here. So the store is massive. So these are all like the little buttons. These are wood, actually. They're just like the ones from Dollar Tree. Actually, they're less expensive here. Exactly like the ones from Dollar Tree. Forever and Time is the line. And they even have yarn here. Same price as Dollar Tree as well. So they have like this section here where it's like, I don't know, like yarn and buttons and things like that. And then you'll go towards more like the woods and foams and yeah. So this aisle is like craft aisle, a variety of craft. Like they have so much crafting material in the store. It's hard to kind of explain it, but yeah, they have like a sticker aisle and paper craft. And then they have this aisle, which now you see here is a foam. Oh, this is a better value than Dollar Tree as well. And they have the craft medley, right? So it's a lot of the stuff that you see here is a lot of the things that you see at Dollar Tree. So you just need to know your prices. Sometimes they charge more. Sometimes Dollar Tree's the route to go. Sometimes it's here, or even comparing with Dollarama for a lot of us who have access to Dollarama. These are actually glass, and I'm always kind of like, oh, should I buy one and do something cute for the Christmas tree or pass on it? Oh look, these are now, they look like they've gone up in price, so maybe I should grab this one because it's 75 cents cheaper. Yeah, I'll grab this one and do something for the Christmas tree. I think it's really cute. And so now you have like organization things for organizing beads, little containers, plastic containers. Then they have bells and rings here. There's almost no rhyme or reason to how the organization is in the store, but I love walking through all the aisles, so I share them all with you. I like that these are a variety pack. Like they have 3 different sizes, but they're $1.50. The one thing they have is quite the variety of wood. Like, look at this. I think I need one of these little paddles. It would be cute to even, yeah, it would be cute to transform it into something. They just have so many things to work with for painting, for crafting with, for transforming with. So I'll film most of this stuff here that I see. Try to get the prices for you guys, like this little desk organizer. And they have still a ton of chairs. I thought these would have sold out. These are perfect for those little displays about saving a seat for someone from heaven for Christmas in a little box. Look at this one. It's a little rocking chair. Oh my gosh, so cute. Totally worth $2, right? And they have the little benches too. Oh, these are cute. They're advertised as little candle cups, but if you made like a little teeny boho tree, they would be really cute. You can make 2 little trees out of those little cups. They have all the same lettering. These are not wood, but as Dollar Tree has. And then they have these pieces that you normally see at Dollar Tree, like the wooden beads. These wood beads. Ooh. They're actually $1 here, so I think I might grab some and save me some money compared to purchasing elsewhere. And they have these at Dollar Tree. These as well. Oh, I could have bought them here. I already purchased them though. And then they have the round ones as well. They have a lot of canvases as well. I've never tried their canvases, so I don't know if they're good quality, but they have paints and they have glue and everything like that. So I'll just go down through here to share with you. These are at Dollar Tree right now. They're stencils. Oh, I got excited there for a second thinking there was a lid for this. I'm like, oh my gosh, how perfect. No, but there's no cover or lid. It's just one piece. So these just actually came out at Dollar Tree, just made their appearance because they have like these chunky glittery pieces and it caught my eye. And here they are, but a little bit less expensive. I don't think I need it because I just make my own. Like I just fill it, I put glue and then I just throw in my own glitter. Well, this looks interesting. Because everything's like marked with one way, like you can only go up and down one aisle, like one way on one aisle and then come down the other. I actually missed this side of the display, so when I walked up one way and then I walked back down, I had originally seen this one here, the sleigh kit, but I hadn't seen these ones because they were on this side of the aisle. These are actually handy for craft organization too, because you can put like little beads and gems and things that are loose, like little trinkets. Oh, these are funny. Fridge magnets for the person who enjoys those types of little jokes. Anyways, or little sayings. This here caught my eye when I was kind of walking down towards the baking stuff. They're the alphabet. They have a ton of silicone and baking sheets, and everything's priced individually. I'm not going to go through everything, and I'm actually avoiding touching a lot of stuff. That's why I won't really know the prices on a lot of things. Oh, this is newer here. Is this brand name? Danny Home. I've never heard of that brand. They have cupcake liners, everything that you need, piping bags, cookie cutters, silicone brushes. So yeah, if you ever get a chance, take your time because it's quite a variety of things. Oh, somebody was asking about wooden skewers, so here are some. And Dollarama has them as well, like coffee stir sticks and stuff, like these ones here. These are the same brand that's been found at Dollarama, but I don't like the texture of this. It's very printed, it's very thick. Let's take a look at these ones. They have more of a Christmas theme. See, these feel nicer to me. They're way nicer cotton. This one's actually cute because it has like a little bit of the gold threading. So does the other one. They look better quality. So occasionally I use paper straws with paper crafting, so I'll take a look for like fun, cute prints. This one's got a shimmer to it. These ones have little gold stars. I've made some wands using the paper straws. And actually I've shared them on the channel on how I made them. These are cute. So I thought I'd come down the party aisle just looking for paper craft knickknacks. And sometimes just little items to add in. These are cute. I like the color. I'll have to keep in mind, maybe for New Year's, I'll start putting some things together just to make it a little more entertaining with the family at home. Noisemakers and things like that. Well, these are bouncy balls. I can't have these around the house because of the puppy. But, well, I call him the pup, but he's 3. See, something like this maybe I could even make into little wands, right? Oh, these are unicorns. They're cute, but a little package like this. It's a little pricey though. I'll stick to the paper straws. I don't know if this is coming through on screen, but this is a rose gold. It's kind of like it's not copper, it's more rose, but it's just not coming through very well on the screen. So the straws are $1. The tablecloths are usually, like these metallic ones are usually $4 or $5. So I'm just going to double check on the price on that tablecloth, but they have a variety of them here. Oh look, there's a buffalo plaid one with a faux wood. So this is a good package. This is a great value. 6 gift bags. If you guys saw me making those gift bags with all the Dollar Tree items, these gift bags would come in. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love them. So cute for paper crafts. Almost reminds me of like the Glycine, yeah. So every time I go into Dollar Tree, I look for the balloons. Remember those balloons with the little confetti in them? They were kind of, like they were not shiny at all, but they're not metallic. They're actually clear, and they look almost yellowy, almost like these ones here in the bag. Yeah, they look like this with the confetti in them, but they turned out so beautiful in real life. They're clear with confetti, and I really wanted some more for New Year's. And I freaking can't find any more. Can you believe they sold out? Like, there were so many, and now I've checked like 4 Dollar Trees and they're all gone. So I was thinking of buying some here, but they're all a little more expensive, and they look like they're all helium. See, it's kind of like this. Yeah, see, in a fraction of the price. Similar to these ones, I think. Darn. I'm so disappointed. I should have bought more. I bought them for my son's birthday and they were just so cute. I just stopped. These caught my eye because I'm thinking if I were to donate them to the outreach program or like the soup kitchen. These are freaking cute. They're huge pillows and they're the Beanie Boo. Tiny, whatever they're called, TY. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with a few gift basket ideas that I shared on the channel recently. I have a full tutorial and a lot slower version of this very fast-forwarded version. I'm giving you ideas on how to make gorgeous gift baskets with Dollar Tree found items. I want to let you know that part 3 to Your Dollar Store with More is coming. It was just, I was in there forever. You know how it is. It's a massive store for me. So when I'm in there, I usually film for a good hour. So I broke it up a little bit again. I wanted to share the Christmas finds right away with you. And then the next part will be more the crafty good stuff in the stationery aisles and party supplies and baking and all of that stuff. So anyways, until next time, everyone, I just want to say thank you so very much for watching and bye for now.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. See the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.